One, write a Python program to multiply all the numbers in a given list using lambda and reduce. So we multiply from the given list like this. We have to multiply all the numbers. Okay. So we can use the lambda and reduce function here. Reduce function takes the two parameters here. First, we will take enter any list here. Suppose x is equal to a1. It converts the string into list here. Okay. Input enter list enter list here, and x is equal to lambda or reduce. To use a reduce function, we have to import from function tools here. Okay. From tools import reduce. Okay, reduce takes two parameters. One parameter is a function, and second parameter is the iterables. Okay, iterables are nothing but the list set tuples. Okay, so first parameter is a function. Take the lambda function here. Lambda. Okay, and we are going to multiply. No, multiply the list elements. So take the two arguments here, x comma y, x into y. I will tell you in a minute what is in this function. And second parameter is iterables. What are the iterables here? X here. Okay, take y is equal. Okay, simple, and just print y. Print y. Just execute the output now. Take input any list here. Take some 1, 3, 4, comma 5. Okay, see 120 here. Okay, it will multiply all the elements with the help of reduce function and lambda function. Lambda function, take the two arguments. Okay, lambda function takes the two arguments. Here, lambda function takes the two arguments, function and the iterables here. Okay, the reduce function takes is used to apply a particular function passed in its argument to all of its list elements mentioned in the sequence passing along. Okay, and also first step, this reduce function takes these two this 1 comma 2 is there. No, they it assign this x comma y variable to this 1 and 2, and it performs multiplications. Okay, and resultant value it performs with other to 1 and 2 multiplication. So it form like that. Okay, first two elements of sequence are picked and the result is obtained, and next step is to apply the same function to the previous data result, and the number just succeed in the second element. Okay, and the result is again stored. This process continues till no more elements are left in the container. The final return result is written as printed in the terminal here. Okay, so I hope you understand reduce function. Reduce function accumulates into one value. Combine the two, it multiplies two values and you returns one value. Okay, single value here, right? Without not only lambda function, you can use map function or you can normal function also you can use it. But we are using reduce and lambda function. Okay, for minimizing the program.